Welcome to Cooking with Abigail
Hello,
and Igor.
Igor and Abigail.
Today, we're cooking
Our shit.
sour cream chicken. What do you call it?
Sour cream, chicken sauce. Don't
And
have-
Chinese broccoli.
Woo! Chinese broccoli!
You will need to have a Ukrainian and some butter and an Asian market for your Chinese herbs. And what else do you got over here?
Italian season, black pepper, Italian herbs, salt, garlic salt, sour cream, and hot water.
Preferably non-stick pans.
$25 for three steam. For
Three.
yeah, for three.
25 for 3.
Walmart price. Best grocery in the world.
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah. Subscribe the channel, donate money, put thumb up, subscribe, and leave your comment in the bottom. Leave the comment in the bottom if you will.
Cheers!
If you would like to try it. Fuck, bitches.